If you hold in your sneeze, you might be damaging your body right now. That pressure doesn't just disappear, it shoots back into your head. We're talking ears, eyes, even blood vessels. There have been real cases where people damaged their eardrums and even caused serious internal injuries just from holding a sneeze. Your body sneezes for a reason, to release pressure. Stopping it is like blocking an explosion. Let it out, just cover your mouth. And wait till you see what cracking your neck does.